Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your shipments with Odoo Innoship connector that we have. For that, we're going to inventory and see all the configurations you can make on this module. Here we have Innoship accounts, and you can add more accounts if you have Innoship external locations, Innoship service types, Innoship couriers, Innoship orders, and here you can manage all your orders. Innoship order status, Innoship fixed locations. And now let's see how it works. We're going to sales and take one quotation. Here is the Innoship section. We can choose the delivery preference we have. For get a fixed location, we go here and choose the location, and also the service type becomes lockers. We're going to choose cash on delivery, and the service type same day delivery. Save it, confirm it, and we have one delivery here. Also, you can change the shipment date if you want. Let's validate it, apply. And now we have a new menu here. We can get the tracking number now. Choose the Innoship account we are using and get the tracking number. Here it is. And also now we have the print Innoship label button. And we have the Innoship label. Okay, it's for a fun courier. Great. And after that, um, the Innoship section here has all the delivery information we need. The AVB, the courier, the estimated delivery date, and also the tracking order, which is very helpful for our clients to see the delivery status. Okay, this is it. It's very simple to easily manage all your shipments, to get a track on your orders, and also to have more satisfied clients. Thank you for watching.